Monday, May 11th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Temperatures warmer the further south and west you went in the region yesterday due to less of an influence from Ana as it moved up through eastern sections of the Carolinas. More on Ana in just a moment. There's your triad highs from yesterday. A lot of folks in the 70s. It was warmer in the Charlotte area due to more sun and again less of an impact from Ana. These are temperatures a little later than normal this morning during the 6 o'clock hour. Pretty warm across the region. It is a very mild start to the day here on this Monday. What is left of Ana continues to churn through eastern parts of the Carolinas, the center, a little bit east of Wilson at the time I'm cutting this video, and that's a pretty mean band feeding there from the western Atlantic up into the Outer Banks. It's going to be a relatively rough and windy day for the Outer Banks before Ana heads on out to sea by tonight. So there goes what's left of Ana. Again, more on Ana in just a moment. From the west, you see a cold front approaching. I think that gradual approach of the cold front combines with what will be a very warm day today to kick off some afternoon thunderstorms. Now, here's the high-resolution modeling. There goes Ana off to the north and east. And you see a pretty good coverage of those afternoon storms developing. I think the coverage you see on the high-resolution modeling is a little bit too exaggerated. But I do think at least a few storms develop from the mountains into the foothills in Piedmont late this afternoon and into this evening. They'll be hit and miss. Your highs today, upper 80s in many locations through the I-85 corridor, 91 in Columbia, 91 the high in Chattanooga and Atlanta. Tomorrow, cold front moves in. That'll bring us a few thunderstorms during the afternoon hours tomorrow. Your highs still quite warm tomorrow before some really delightful air moves in. High pressure builds into the region Wednesday. Plenty of sun Wednesday and Thursday. Your highs Wednesday afternoon shape up like that, and probably even a few degrees cooler than on Thursday. Lower humidity too. So Wednesday and Thursday look fantastic. All right, let me give you what's happening here on Ana. Again, this was the loop of the radar from yesterday right at landfall, which was a little before daybreak near Myrtle Beach. And then as we've gone through yesterday and through the night, you see the center of Ana been tracking off to the north and then northeast. And the rough weather from Ana really staying focused over in the eastern Carolinas. There's your current winds as I'm cutting the video. See the wind product here on the Futurecast modeling. And again, it's going to be a relatively rough day for the Outer Banks. Could be some winds 30 to 40 miles per hour at times as the day unfolds and Ana gradually then heads out to sea. Here's what it looks like on the high-resolution modeling. This is the 4-kilometer NAM today, and 5 o'clock this afternoon, you can see the thunderstorms firing up in the mountains and the foothills. You go out to 9 p.m., and really the coverage is not all that impressive, so we'll see what happens. I do think a few isolated thunderstorms are a possibility in the Piedmont later this afternoon or this evening, but how great that coverage will be remains to be seen. And then here we are at 1 a.m. early tomorrow. Now, that's what it looks like on the GFS. So that's just kind of a widely scattered coverage of thunderstorms out there. Very warm. There's your high temperatures today. Some 90s again on the board in parts of Alabama, Georgia, and portions of South Carolina. Well up into the 80s across North Carolina. Tomorrow, that's first half of the day and second half of the day. You notice it's the eastern parts of the Carolinas that see most of the showers and storms tomorrow on the GFS. And it's a warm day once again, with those highs up into the upper 80s in many North Carolina spots and some 90-degree readings creeping in maybe toward the Sandhills and down into South Carolina. But here we go, that big high pressure building in here for Wednesday. Wednesday looks like a great day, so does Thursday. And then we go out to Friday, maybe a couple of isolated showers. It doesn't look too bad. Saturday, a little better chance for a few showers, but even then, doesn't look like anything terribly heavy. But we get into some better chances on Sunday of seeing some areas of showers and thunderstorms. There's your Sunday map from the GFS. There's Monday, both days featuring decent chances of showers and storms. The European model perspective, this is Friday. Again, not a whole lot. A little better chances for showers Saturday, and then Sunday looking like a relatively active day on the European model before things begin to try to quiet down on Monday. A couple of the SVC outlooks very quickly. There's your day 1 outlook, slight risk from the Great Lakes to Texas, and then there's day 2, a little bit of a marginal outline there for eastern North Carolina as that cold front works in. All right, that is it for today's edition of the video. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.